IVM.
Namaskar Bandhu, my name is Ashish Vidyarthi and good to see you here on Begin the Journey. Let's try this out. I'm just trying. Good try. I'm just trying here. Haven't we used the term try very often in life? When somebody asks us, hey, Ashish, you trying something new, huh? Something new? Yeah, you're right, just trying here. Oh, good, yeah, you must try. Try. Even when someone says, hey, Ashish, you're doing something new, huh? I'll say, I'm not doing, just trying. What is this trying bit that we use? What is it that we are hiding and shying away from that we want to say trying and not simply say, you know what, I'm doing something new? Over the last few years, I discovered that I actually cannot try and do anything. I either do it or I don't. You want to try something right now? Try it out. Try to pick up a glass of water or try to pick up anything that is around you. Just try and do it. Yes, just look at something. Yes. Now try and pick it up. Try to do it. No, you are picking it up. No, don't pick it up. No, now you're not picking it up. I said try to pick it. Did you discover that in real life, there's nothing called try? You either picked it up or you did not pick it up. Life is very clearly divided into actions. Actions in which some things happen and some things don't. It just so happens that we are slightly scared that what if it doesn't work out? So at least I can hide behind, I tried here. I tried. I don't want to look stupid. I tried. Over the years, as I have traveled as an actor, I have seen that I have, within quotes, tried many roles. Some of them haven't worked out and some of them have. I discovered if I replaced try with I created different roles. Some of them didn't work out. Some of them did. Do you know what? There's nothing called try. You don't try and make a payment to the bank. You don't try and pay an EMI, estimated monthly installment. No, you pay it or you don't pay it. If you can try to pay to a bank, and if the bank listens to you, then tell me, and I will believe you that yes, try works. If the bank says, hey, listen, there's nothing called try, you either have paid me or you haven't, then take my word. There is nothing called try. Let's not hide behind it. Let's take responsibility of whatever that we're doing. And I promise you one thing, something which I have discovered. When I'm doing it, then I'm 100% behind that effort of mine. I'm giving it my best shot. And if it doesn't work, guess what? Either I will never do it again or find some other ways to do it. Remember, it's my life. I don't have to hide behind and clarify for my failures. Yes, people will be judging you, dear friend. The world is there. You are either a spectator or a player. Remember, you go out to play each day. That's right. The game in life is to play, not try. I promise you, from the time that I took on playing, rather than clarifying that I'm just trying out this new thing, I started giving it my 100% because it had my signature to it. So when I began Avid Miner, I decided I'm not going to try this, I'm going to play this. Because play I did as an actor when I began. As I have gone through new horizons across the world, I have played each day. Yes, I have failed many a times, but yes, I have gone on. I have taken responsibilities of my slips. And do you know what? Actually, those slip-ups don't count. What matters is that I'm still alive and I'm still playing. This, dear friend, is an invite to you. Start looking at the things that you can actually tell the world that you are playing for, not trying. And I promise you, you shall inspire others to play so that they can give it 100% and not hide behind themselves or anyone else. Remember, this is an opportunity called life. Let's play it full on. Remember, the bank doesn't listen to a try. Cheers. Would love to hear your thoughts on that. Al Shukran Bandhu. Al Shukran Zindagi. Thank you for being on this journey with me on Begin the Journey. Let's play. And keep joining me on various platforms. On Instagram, I'm on Ashish Vidyarthi1. On Twitter, I'm on Ashish Vid. And on YouTube, I'm on Ashish Vidyarthi Official, and I make some interesting videos on life. And of course, you can join me, not try, just join me on avidminer.com. Cheers, lots of love. See you the next time.
I hope you enjoyed that show. If you aren't following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I'd like to thank the sponsors on the network this week, Storytel and The Whole Truth Foods. Thank you for supporting us. We have a new show out this week, Candid Kanan with Siddharth Kanan. Sid Gay is a well-known RJ. He has an incredible show with some of the most amazing Bollywood celebrities. As part of the first week's episode, we're releasing 5 episodes at one time, so you can get your fill of Sid. You can hear him talk to Varun Dhawan, Anil Kapoor, Anurag Kashyap, Bhumi Pednekar, and a whole lot more. This week on the Edges and Sledges podcast with Varun DJ and Ashwin, hear them talk about the historic victory that India achieved at Gaba. Maruk Inayat had an amazing talk with Gul Panag. They spoke about the farmer protests and why Bollywood celebs are acting the way that they are. And finally, Shunya One is back this week. Shiladitya and me talked to Anirudh Singla from Pepper Content. We have a great lineup of guests coming up in the coming weeks, including Deepak Abid, the co-founder of India Gold. Definitely check that out. And with that, I hope to see you again next week.
We live in an age of disruption, of immense change in every aspect of work, life, and business. But is the old way of doing things truly dead? And are we ever going to stop saying the new normal? Join me, Varun Dugirala, on Advertising is Dead every Tuesday as I talk to entrepreneurs, leaders, creators, and change makers from across business, media, marketing, and beyond to dig a little deeper into how we got here, what we're doing now, and where we're headed. You can catch all the episodes of Advertising is Dead on the IVM Podcast website, app, or wherever you get your podcasts from.